How to add live chat plugins for WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can add a live chat plugin for your WordPress. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your WordPress. We know we can add any plugin for our WordPress, and when it comes to live chat, when you create a website and you want to add a live chat section where you will be able to live chat with people for your better customer service, then you can simply go ahead and add a plugin. So many people wonder how to do that, so this tutorial is for you, and you will be able to add a live chat plugin in your WordPress very easily. Simply open up your WordPress. This is the dashboard for a very simple website that I have created, and now I want to add a live chat plugin. So what I will do is simply go to plugins right here, and then I will go to add new. When you click on add new, it takes you to the plugin marketplace of WordPress, where we can actually find any of the plugin that you want to. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in live chat right here in the search bar to find the live chat plugins. There are many plugins available on WordPress for you to create your own amazing websites, your professional website, and you can add any kind of plugin. So we have a lot of options right here for live chat. So what you need to do is kind of like check the reviews and how many downloads they have. Go for a good one and the one that is suitable with your WordPress site. So I'm gonna actually go with this simple live chat plugin. You can see right here we have a lot of them. Adding a plugin is really easy. You simply click on install now and then you will activate it. So I will simply now select any of these. So we have different options. For example, if you have HubSpot, you can go with a HubSpot live chat plugin right here. Then we have WooCommerce, we have Slack live chat, we have WhatsApp. There are others as well. So what I am going to do is I'm gonna go with this one, the first one, live chat, and it is WP live chat plugin for WordPress. Simply click on install now, and it will take just few seconds to install. It's installed. Simply click on activate and it will be activated. So guys, I have actually connected my HubSpot as well, so we were getting the HubSpot live chat as well. So I have live chat right here, and then I also got the plugin of HubSpot because I already had HubSpot, so it became really it was really easy for me to access it. So I'm gonna go with this one so I don't have to deal with another platform again. So you will simply add the HubSpot live chat or the others as well. I showed you a lot of plugins, so you simply install it and then click on activate and it will be activated right here. Then I have connected my website to my HubSpot right here. I am not a robo, and then I will simply be able to connect and it will open up the live chat plugin for me. So now my website has been connected to my plugin, which is the HubSpot live chat. There are different things that we need to do before we activate it and add it to our website. It is added as a plugin, so now we will simply customize it. So we have live chat option right here, create chat flow. I'm gonna click right here and we will customize some of these settings for our live chat option. So we have set up chat option right here, different steps that we have to follow. The first step is the display. So this is going to be the display for my chat. The color is blue. I can actually change the display. We can go with this color right here. So this is the display option. I think it looks pretty good. This is how it will be displayed. So now I will move to the next step. Now we have the second step. So the second step is going to be create your first chat flow. So you have to add a chat heading, right? The name. So we can add custom name and avatar as well. For example, when we check, when we're doing a live chat, if you have ever experienced it on a website, you check the name of the person right here, the person talking. So you can simply add a custom name. For example, you can add a name right here. Let's say it's Alex, and then I can also add a avatar for Alex in here. I can add a picture or any avatar I want to. So this is how it is. Also, you write a welcome message. So got any question? I'm happy to help. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and add hello, nice to meet you. There you go. Got any question? I'm happy to help. So this is what the welcome message is going to be. Hello, nice to meet you. Got any question? I'm happy to help. So I think this is good. I have my own custom avatar as well. This is how we simply add right here. Or I can simply automatically assign conversation to a specific team members. If you are not going to reply yourself, you can actually assign this chat to a team member, because when we have a business and we're running a live chat and customer support, then we can simply add assignees right here. Then you will simply click right here and click on next. Then we have the availability option right here. In here I have to add the chat availability, so the channel availability based on team member using and based on working hours. So right now we have Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it. I'm going to actually keep it from on Monday to Friday. Okay, Monday to Friday is good, but it is going to be from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, I have increased the hours because it is going to be the customer support of my website, of my business. So I am okay with the live chat to be available from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. so that I can help people anytime they want help. Or you can actually go with chat is available 24/7. So this is also a good option. Or you can go with custom days and custom time right here. So I'm gonna go with chat is available 24/7 as well. This is actually pretty good. You can also select the time right here, the time zone. Once you have selected this, then availability behavior, available, away, out of working hours. So these options are available when you're not, if it's not 24/7, then you can add away. Then you can add outside working hours, like the different messages that will be shown. For example, hide chat character and show an away message as well. So this is how we customize our availability option right here for our live chat. Then I'm going to click on next, and this is going to be our last step, and the last step is to check the preview. So let's say this is my website and this is the live chat right here. Hello, nice to meet you. Got any question? Happy to help. When somebody will text right here, you will get notification, and then you will be able to chat with them and you will be able to help them as your business, as a customer support, to help them, to help your viewers and customers with any question they have. Then simply click on publish, and this live chat will be published on your website. You can also check the tablet view and a mobile view as well. So yeah guys, this is how you can simply go ahead and add a live chat to your WordPress. I hope that I was a big help to you, and you will be able to add a live chat as well for your WordPress website, and you will be able to provide an amazing 24/7 customer support to your customers. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.